Hello everyone. I got a new car. It's not for me. If you guys don't know, well, this is the first of many of cars we're gonna be just buying to flip. So this is a 2000 Honda Accord LX or DX, one of the two. It's got an inline four. You know, it's basically nothing much. 150,000 miles. The interior was clean, so we decided we got it for a steal. Basically, I'm not going to disclose how much I got it for, but it was a steal. So we have to clean it up, though. It's got some issues before we can sell it. Let's start it up and show you. Let me get a beautiful cold start for the boys.
You ready? You ready for this? You ready? I'm not.
It's been a week and a half, so it's gonna be bad.
All right, ready?
There it is. Sounds pretty good.
You ready?
Redline that motherfucker.
Get under it. We just two-stepped.
Pull it out real quick. I ordered an exhaust from the headers to the from the headers back, so we're gonna be replacing all of that.
I mean, in general, this is a clean car. Look at it. It's a Honda. It's gonna last forever.
Right. So
150.
back seat clean, interior mint, 150,000 miles. We only have this rust spot, which I'm gonna be getting a quote from my local paint and collision shop to get rid of this rust in this quarter panel. So that quarter panel will get repaired. The headlights look pretty good. I'm gonna clear this one up so it matches the other one. Got a little dent here that needs repair. Scratch here, scratch there. Yeah, a mean scratch here, another bump here. So yeah, it just needs body work mainly, and then we'll just pop the hood for you. I popped it already. She sat for 2 years in New York, so as you could expect, it's gorgeous. So we have some shit to clean up. So a little H23 over here.
There's an apple there.
Apple core. We got
sausage from McDonald's. I know that one.
I think that's a. I'm about to throw up.
I think that's a.
The next day.
Gotta fix that today. did you enjoy the ride? He's like, that's it. So we got the car up in the air, and as to my surprise, not to my surprise, honestly, the exhaust looks good. Until there. So you can clearly see somebody hit this shit with a good old Sawzall and cut this pipe off and cut it right from the front there. They kept the flanges and got a catalytic converter out of me and O2 sensors. So I'm gonna need to get O2 sensors for this car. Well, one rear O2 sensor, and remove the rest of the muffler and all that and put on the new one. Shouldn't be much. It shouldn't be hard though, because I don't have anything here to separate. All right, so we got the exhaust manifold off of the Accord and the cut, I don't know, downpipe header part, connector, for the Accord out. Now we're working on putting on basically the new header that we have somewhere around here. Motor smells so bad. Rat poop everywhere, rat piss everywhere. It's terrible, but we're persevering. I'm gonna need a long bath after this, but yeah, this is our new header, made in China, and should provide a little bit more flow than the old one, and sound pretty cool. So this is an O2 sensor removal tool, so you just put it over with the impact in reverse. Break your O2 sensor loose. Just like so.
That's right on.
Don't need to be super tight. Okay? Do it by hand. Put it right back in. Good to go. Now we move to putting on the middle section of the Y pipe area. And these are 4-to-1 headers, so it's gonna have quite a good sound. This is like the best part of the exhaust that we have here. And we'll be sure to put gaskets and wipe everything down. So next thing is to install the catalytic converter that we got from eBay. You can see through the joints, so it is brand new and it's clean. The guys did cut off the what's it called, O2 sensor bung for the cat, so I'm just gonna run it plugged for now, and then when I get a bung, I'll put that in, and then we'll be good.
Not go anywhere.
It goes a little bit more than it did before. So Manny has arrived. I've been working on the video earlier, so he's here now. We just took the car out, and the headers are nicely golden. I mess with it. They need to get wiped down. You can see some fingerprints, but nicely golden. All right. So first thing is to remove the coil pack plug wires. You just pull them up and they come out. We're gonna replace the distributor and the rotor in a little bit, but with the NGK parts. But we are, for now, removing the valve cover. These bolts are all broken loose. They're 10 millimeters, and we're gonna get the pliers and pull those vacuum hoses off, and then it should come loose after we pry on it a little bit. Got a brand new gasket over there, so we should be set to go. Nice. More shit. Luke! Luke! Alright, so we got the rotor, distributor rotor removed with a 8 millimeter on the back of the cam here. And gonna swap that over for the new distributor rotor. What I do is take the new one and push that on, and the 8 millimeter. Thread that in here. And then we're gonna work on the cap and the plug wires. Spark plugs are going in, brand new V-Power NGKR plugs. Same ones we pulled out, actually. These are NGKR plugs that we pulled out. They got a little carbon buildup on them, but they're not in that bad condition. Just gonna swap in the new ones and hope for the best here. These are all tight. I'm gonna go ahead and put the new rotor with the NGK plugs on. It's sitting over there. Out the old and with the new. Goes like this though. Yeah, it goes on like this. And Day 3. After applying 3 coats of the VHT Wrinkle Black Plus, Wrinkle Coat Plus, we decided to use the heat gun on set of 4. It's around 400 to 350 degrees. Set it at 2, like a high speed, and it wrinkled the paint pretty nicely, as you can see here. We are done with the first stage of the tune-up of the Accord. So you can see there, the slotted and trailing brakes are done. We got the spec tuning exhaust. I'm gonna get a little clip. Oh, there's Tim dipping right now. I'm gonna wait till he leaves and then I'll get his little startup clip. But I'll show you guys, walk it through. It's cleaned up a little bit. So under the hood, looks a lot cleaner from the first time. Could expect. It's gorgeous. We got the blue plug wires in from NGK, the new distributor wire. The valve cover's looking nice. We did have a little running there in the front, but I don't really care. It looks fine from far away. The headers are starting to get some color in them. And the O2 sensors here. I got the other O2 sensor. this guy to dip out. So yeah, I'm gonna get a little startup clip for you guys of this car with the headers, brand new cat, and the Spec tuning cat back. You can see it's a lot better. It's not cold, but you can see it's a lot better from before. So that's how the exhaust is sounding. Still a little raspy, but I don't really care. That's how I wanted it to sound. Because it's an eBay exhaust. I wasn't expecting anything great. But what is great is that I do want to clean that up. So don't bash me. I'll clean that up. But yeah, it's looking a lot better now. I'm happy with it, and probably am not gonna end up selling it. I'm probably gonna keep it for a little while. I found a manual swap, and I found a couple of other things. So after we get this rust repairs, we might be going full send with this Accord. But I am gonna finish the Volvo. So I haven't forgot about that project. The RSX is getting done, and the BMW is getting in the frame shop in the next couple of weeks. So you guys stay tuned. We got a lot coming, crazy stuff. I want to thank you guys for watching this long, if you're still watching, and peace.
I got a motor.